Combo chart is used to display different chart type in a single chart. This kind of chart is useful for comparing data. Combo chart. Here I have prepared Sarah Jackson's detailed salary from April to September. How much she was paid monthly. Now I'm gonna have cumulative salary for Sarah. For cumulative, the first month is the same amount, 2,800. Then for the next month, the previous month plus this month. Then for the rest, I copy and paste the formula and double check. That's it. Now I have to create a cumulative chart that indicates two different values. One is for monthly, the other one is cumulative. I mean, we have two different charts in one chart. So I create combo chart. This is the combination of two charts in one graph. Select the data, insert. On one of the charts from drop-down menu, select More Column Charts. And here, select Combo. In this window, if I click on Secondary Axis for cumulative, the second axis, which is placed in the right side of the data, is appeared. It means we concentrate cumulative data from right side and the monthly from left side. Let's change the chart types. Select Chart, go to Insert, and select Combo Chart icon. Create Custom Combo Chart. This first one can be a stacked line, and second one can be clustered column chart. Select Secondary Axis for cumulative and press on OK. Combo chart is a combination of different charts in one chart. Pay attention. I said combination of different charts. This can be 2 or 3 charts. It depends on how much data we provide. Here we had 2 data. One was monthly salary and the second was cumulative salary. We can add labels, change color, or change the design of the chart.